Hello everyone, welcome to Persian Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very special recipe, and that is called Naz Khatoon. Naz Khatoon is my mother's version, which is from Tehran, my old city, and here are the ingredients. Main ingredients include eggplants. You can roast them or you can fry them. Of course, roasted is more delicious. Onions, garlic, salt, pepper, turmeric, angelic, which in Farsi is golpar, dry mint in Farsi is nano, tomatoes, cilantro, verjuice, which is abgure, and pomegranate molasses, and olive oil. First step is to fry the onions with olive oil. I have 2 large eggplants that I already roasted them on the barbecue. I'm going to remove the skin. Make sure you let it cool down because it can be very hot. And after you remove the skin, you chop it and add it to the onion and garlic that's frying. I have removed the skin from the eggplant. Give it a cut like that and just gently slice them by pulling the eggplant away from the bottom. Now that you can see the onions are half sauteed and they're getting golden, you're going to add the garlic. You stir it for about 2 to 3 minutes. I am going to add the eggplants to the frying garlic and onion. Stir it occasionally for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to add the tomatoes. The next step is to chop our cilantro. I have 1 bunch of cilantro here. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes to the eggplant and stir them together. Next step is to add salt, pepper, turmeric, dry mint, angelic, which is golpar in Farsi. Stir them together. And chop cilantro. I have 1/4 of a cup verjuice, which is abgure, and 1/4 of a cup pomegranate molasses, which is robe anar. Now I'm going to stir everything together. Make sure they are mixed very well, and then I'm going to put the lid on the top and let this simmer for half an hour. Make sure you bring the temperature to medium low, because this needs to be simmered and cooked completely for half an hour. Now it is time to reveal our beautiful dinner, Naz Khatoon. And here is how we're going to plate it and serve it. Usually you have 1 eggplant per person for this dish, and for rice you have 1 cup of rice for each person. Definitely you can have the garlic as much as you want. Less garlic, more garlic is completely up to you. And the best thing about garlic is once you cook it, it won't smell anymore. So here we go, our beautiful and extremely delicious Naz Khatoon. And here is our beautiful, delicious Naz Khatoon. This is a recipe that probably grandmothers and mothers used to make it in the old time, but I would like to revive the old Persian cuisine, because these kinds of foods are absolutely nutritious. They're full of fiber, and basically, as mom says, they're good for you. Besides the fact they're very, very delicious. This is vegan, vegetarian, and I hope you like it. Please let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you all. Bon appetit, Nusha Jan. Till the next video. Bye for now.